gasket got? Oh, you got it. Okay.
No, I didn't.
You did. I see it's gone now.
The gasket was on the way 100%. Start put the gasket in there. See, your lifters keep pulling out before you can get in there. So you got to be quick.
You got it, didn't you?
Well, once you go quick and right in, it's not a problem. It's when you stop, you're done.
And getting hung up on hose clamps and everything else.
Yeah, then well, the hose is the problem. Then you have to put grease on it again. They didn't like that grease.
We'll see what the oil filter looks like.
You have a big piece of rubber and some grease, hopefully.
Yeah, nice piece of rubber would be good.
Fingers in there. Kind of in there, but
Next time I'm gonna remove that damn sending unit too. Get her?
yeah. Well, I'm ripping right on the very tip of my finger, and you're shoving it sideways while it's just laying there. It's tricky. Gotta have practice doing that kind of crap. There's a mosquito flying. Killed 3 of the things this morning.
I had one flying around my head last night. I could not catch that thing. I was laying in bed.
Yeah.
I got me a new bug assault today that came in the mail.
Yeah.
You seen those?
They're trying to get me to test one on my YouTube videos.
Huh?
Someone's trying to send me a bug zapper for doing that. Mosquito zapper.
This one looks like a little gun. You know, it shoots salt.
Oh no, this was an electric thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, they got all kinds of crap they want me to test in my videos or advertise.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe some of the stuff they send you.
Stupid video games.
The video games too?
Video games, they want me to fucking, I don't care about video.
Yeah, how the hell? I don't see how that could you even test that one. Because you,
Not
have a
test it, just
you have a
advertising.
YouTube channel?
It's just advertising.
No.
Not interested in doing your stupid advertising.
I read something the other day that it's better for you if people watch the commercials too.
Yeah, it is.
Just a little more money in your pocket or something somehow.
Yeah, I get paid something. I don't know.
'Cause I'm always 5-second deal, like boom, turn, skip the ad,
I only get a $0.25 per view anyway, so it's not like I'm making $1 million on this shit.
But would you get a little more if if you watch this commercial?
I just do a monthly average, and it's about a 0.25%. It doesn't. In Christmas time, it goes up, but the views go up
I
too.
still can't figure out why that damn head video got so many hits on it. That
The family?
3,500 the first night or something like that.
Oh,
Like, that was like the most boring video.
Yeah, it was all you. It was all you.
I know. I go, what the hell am I watching this thing for, man?
Well, I can actually go into the analytics and see how long they watch it. Sometimes they watch those videos for a long time too, for some reason. I don't know why.
They're waiting for something good to come out of that one.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I watched the whole thing. I go, man, that was a boring video, man. I can't believe so
They
many
had some,
people watched it.
They have some sock players want me to do sock videos or something. Ads or I don't want to advertise
What are you
socks
looking
for
for?
my videos.
Oh.
Please, let's see.
Oh, that they want you to do the where you talk about it and stuff.
I don't know what the hell they want. I need somebody to run the advertisement in my videos. I ain't got time to deal with that crap.
Yeah. We have some, you can turn them off, but they have ones that also that are built into the videos now. You can't turn it off. You can't. You can move it forward, I guess. Fast forward to it, but it's not like it's a separate ad anymore.
They got so damn many variations these days. It's a full-time job trying to keep up with what the hell they want, what YouTube lets you do and all that. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like editing. I ain't got time to edit.
Yep.
Lucky I got time to post a damn thing. It takes long enough to do that.
Yep.
I'll guarantee you on a 10-minute video, it takes me more than 10 minutes to do the posting.
Really?
Yeah, it does.
So when you post like 6 videos sometimes in one night, that just takes like an hour to do it? Hours and a half?
Oh, that can be 3-4 hours. Well, like last night, I was up for an hour and a half, just watching through the videos, making sure they were going up correctly. And then I went to list them, and then I went to upload them. I just went to bed, let the computer run all night. I ain't got time to wait for that to upload. It takes forever for it to upload.
Yeah, that's when it actually goes onto YouTube when you upload it.
And then this afternoon, after I was done spending all my money, I got my nap. Someone woke me up at 7 in the morning when I went to bed at 3.
7:07, I think it was. So would you buy a bunch of parts last night, or what? Gaskets and stuff, you said?
That was this afternoon. Anyway, I spent about 45 minutes. Not quite that long. It might have been 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Half hour to 45 minutes. I uploaded, 4 or 5 videos, I think, before we came out here.
I didn't look at any of them today.
I think we did 7 last night. I don't remember. It might have been 9.
Yeah. We'll get the separate ones with the chopper too.
I'll put the other half up tonight, and then these ones here I'll post in another day or so. You paste more in about 10 videos a night, it gets kind of...
I want to hear how the...
They skip right through the videos, I don't watch them.
I want to hear how those lifters sounded last night in the video.
Well,
It'll be a little clattery.
I'll probably list them tonight, or tomorrow morning.
Oh.
If you haven't gathered, most of my videos are uploaded between 3 and 6 in the morning, if you notice.
I know they come on early sometimes in the morning when I get up.
That's because that's when they get posted.
Some are done.
That's when I do them.
Yeah.
Well, you go in here and you go in the house at midnight or 2 in the morning, whatever it is, and you clean up, get something to eat. Then you go and
Doesn't YouTube have to approve them before you can before they actually get posted?
they go right through.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem with that. Then they go. Then you spend 2 hours going through the videos. Then you spend another hour, 2 hours uploading the videos, and then I have to go. There's 5 pages of stuff you got to go through after it's uploaded to get it all certified to do. And it takes forever to do it. So if I get to bed by 5, it's a miracle. And if I got paperwork to do, like ordering parts or putting parts away,
Right.
I'm up longer.
So you couldn't get through to anybody at SNS today, huh?
Just my sales rep. Their phone system was not working today. They kept hanging up on me when trying to leave a message to the tech department. My rep's pretty good though. She tells me what's going on.
Yeah.
Your lifters don't work, that's what's going on.
She just can't answer any technical questions, huh?
Yeah, she knows kind of what's going on. She's been there a long time. It helps to have a rep that she knows what they're doing.
At least they're going to replace them. That's good without giving you a fight.
No, that was instant. She didn't even care. She didn't hesitate. SNS either fight you or they give you everything.
Yeah?
There's no in between.
It's all up to your rep?
Ultimately, they've been kind of a pain in the ass lately, so I don't know what's going on with them. They used to be really good, but they've been getting worse.
Like everybody else.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Is that 10 or is a slider?
It's a tight one, it doesn't want to work.
Oh.
10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you got to use a loose wrench to go up. It takes too long to shove the good one in. See, the threads are going up real easy that time, you notice?
Yeah, why?
Because when you run the nut down, it
Cleaned them all up? Yeah.
It's just burred edges and stuff. So it screws with you. Okay, this one goes over here. The problem with this one is the exhaust pipe keeps me from tightening it anymore. Can't get on there very well.
Push and squeeze.
I'm trying to tighten with the nut, so.
Yeah.
Okay, that one's good.
O-rings are in.
I think so. We'll find out later. If it leaks, let me know.
One last night was leaking, I'll tell you that. I don't know why it didn't leak later on though when we started the second time.
Yeah, I was uploading the videos on you, and every time they had a picture of you, they were putting a hat up on the video.
A hat?
Your hat, the Tatro hat you wearing.
Oh.
I don't know why there was like 3 videos that kept poking up a picture of you in a hat. What the hell is grabbing a hold of? They give you 3 pictures to look at to choose from. And
Oh, for the one that shows up on YouTube when you're looking at the thing?
The thumbnail picture.
Yeah.
I usually go and pick out a new one, which takes me a lot longer. That's another 10-15 minutes of video, picking a picture.
They give you the ones to choose? Which picture you put up?
Yeah, but I usually don't like the ones.
So you can go through and submit some other ones or whatever?
Yeah, it's not even 50% of the time do I use the picture they have.
I thought it was just like the last frame of the videos of what they always put up there or something.
Especially on these videos here, the pictures all suck. So.
Oh, this nice bike on it, they don't?
No, the thumbnail picture is just stupid.
Yeah.
When you move the camera real fast, you get a blur. I get two of those in the one thing.
Oh.
The hell, they don't blur. I can't even see them. What the hell are those in there for? That's it on that one.
There you go.
That's 0. It's just an educational video. I showed you how to count.
How you count? It's the same as how many toes and fingers you have, kids.
See, that's another thing you got to do in the video. Is it child friendly?
Oh yeah?
And,
So you guess why you can't have no cussing or nothing?
well, if it's child friendly, then they count all the way up to 18 as a child. But then you got to do. There's so damn much stuff you got to do for that. I got to no. Ain't worth it. I try to keep the videos clean so they can,
Yeah.
kids can watch it without worrying about it. But you got to okay so damn much crap when you do that.
Kid friendly, huh?
When they're trying to limit all the sexual content and stuff like that.
Yeah,
it's just-
cussing.
I don't think they care about that anymore. Anyway, it's just
Turns?
everybody's trying to market to kids, and I could give a squat about them.
Yeah, I don't know why they would. The future, I guess.
I don't have future videos. I have old farts. That know
You
how
want me to
work
get
on
the
a bike.
clips?
I have old farts that know how to work on a bike.
And complain.
They complain a lot. Yeah, that's the way. Those are who watch my videos.
Complain about the...
We don't get the funky fix. And no videos, no women either. They don't like the videos.
Women not allowed?
They don't like them.
Oh. Except the band's white.
That's way under 5%.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's not the market. Yeah, I'm in the wrong market. Yes, okay, turn it. That one. There we go. That's good. So this one here, make sure you got it straight. Push up. Go pop.
Yep.
The bottom, same thing. Pop. And that's why I don't know how the rubber got damaged, because I always do it the same way. I pop it up in there. So.
Heard that one.
But remember, this one had that clip, didn't want to go in there.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that's when it happened.
Yeah.
'Cause even though it popped up in there, it wasn't in there. The clip obviously didn't want to go in because the rubber was in the way. So you remember we were fighting it, putting this one in.
Yep.
See, it goes in nice and easy now.
Yeah.
So obviously it was not in there when I did it.
Give her a turn.
Turning was definitely a key to make it not leak. All right, we are in there.
Should I change the oil filter?
Oh shit, we didn't put the gasket in.
That's the old one.
Oh, okay, good. All right, that's it for now.
We're looking good. Could be back later.